So now we're going to approach the whole problem using Carnot maps. To use Carnot maps, we need to get an algebraic statement into the sum of products form. So let's write out the original problem. A, B plus C naught, so that needs De Morgan's. B plus C naught. So for purpose of completeness, let's work this way through so you don't have to refer to the other video. This, where you have a bracket and you've got a knot, we have to use De Morgan's. They turn into this. Okay, so those brackets do. The rest we will write down, and so that's that bit there. We've got the A from here plus the B from here. So what do we notice? Straight away, B times not B collapses, disappears, and we end up with this term over here. So now we have a SOP form. Now I've gone through that very quickly, and what I would recommend is go through the Boolean algebra video to hear it discussed in more detail. So let's move on with it. So we want to construct a Carnot map using this format. So let's write it out. Okay, so we've got three variables. The red isn't always the clearest. Three variables, so we do 2 down the side. We'll just pick A and B, and 1 across the top. And we have, with 2 combinations, we have 4. So let's do that, and we draw that down. Choose different colors. Bear with me a second. Right, my screen color I just dimmed then. Right, okay, so that could be 0 or 1, and the combinations here starting from 0, 0, could be 1, 0, 1, 1, or 0, 1. Notice I could have started with this one here and done this in a different order, but I've selected this, and you'll learn in time that, you know, there are different ways of working it. So let's take each of these terms and enter them in. So we've got A not B equal to 1. So to be one output, I need all my A's. So they're my 2 A columns, and I need not B. So not B is that one. So actually it's just that row there. I'll fill that up. Next one. A not B not C equal to 1. So what happens here? Again, I need my A's. There we go. They're the 2 rows with A's as 1. I need not B, that's this row here, so we're not interested in that one, so it's this one here. But I also need not C, so I go to the column and I find not C, and I put a 1 in there. And you notice a 1 in there already. Then I group them using the grouping logic, those 2 group nicely, and then I read that back. And what is that? That condition which satisfies that, which are the constants? Well, the C's vary across the top, so C doesn't play any part. It's just this combination here, which gives me A not B. And that's the job done.